Here are top 10 stories of the day. A historic political milestone is making headlines today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become India's longest-serving elected Prime Minister, completing 4,399 days in office. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis congratulated him on the achievement, calling it an important moment for both Maharashtra and the nation. The milestone is already generating reactions across the political spectrum. Meanwhile, political tensions are escalating in West Bengal. Budbud police arrested Chaktintul Gram Panchayat Pradhan Anup Mete on charges of extortion and criminal intimidation. Soon after the arrest, BJP workers gathered outside the police station, alleging selective action by authorities. The confrontation has once again intensified the political battle in the state. From politics to cricket, the Afghanistan national cricket team has arrived in Mohali and begun practice sessions at the Punjab Cricket Association's IS Bindra Stadium. Cricket fans are closely watching the preparations as Afghanistan continues to strengthen its presence on the international stage. In Delhi, a fresh controversy has emerged over the rejection of Congress leader Meenakshi Natarajan's nomination. Former Congress MLA Kunal Chaudhary said party leaders have met the Election Commission and are considering legal options. Congress has also rejected BJP allegations that important court-related information was concealed. The Nationalist Congress Party marked its 27th Foundation Day with an emotional gathering. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar expressed gratitude to party workers and supporters while remembering the contributions of leaders who helped build the organization. She also paid tribute to Ajit Pawar's role in strengthening the party over the years. A major public health drive has been launched in Kerala's Wayanad district. Minister K. Muralidharan announced strict inspections of hotels, food sample testing, and action against unhygienic establishments. Authorities have also intensified chlorination efforts and cleanliness campaigns to ensure public safety. In Karnataka, former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda spoke about his long association with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Gowda stated that despite political differences, Modi has consistently given him opportunities to raise issues related to Karnataka and national development, highlighting a relationship built on mutual respect. Inflation has once again become a key political issue. Congress MP Deepender Hooda claimed that LPG cylinders, petrol, diesel, and several essential commodities have reached record high prices. He argued that rising inflation is placing increasing financial pressure on ordinary families across the country. Attention is also turning toward Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Defense expert Captain Anil Gaur said growing unrest in the region reflects decades of frustration over unemployment, lack of development, and diversion of local resources. His remarks have reignited discussions about conditions inside POJK. And finally, a fresh political exchange has erupted over reports linking former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda with former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. BJP MP Kiran Chaudhary dismissed the claims and accused Hooda of making misleading statements. The sharp verbal battle has added fuel to the political atmosphere ahead of future electoral contests. For more fast, accurate, and impactful news updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.